Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save or export video from CapCut to gallery. So if you have edited a video in the CapCut and you don't know how to save the video, then this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. You have to just simply open up CapCut where you have edited the project. So after opening up the CapCut, I have not edited any project. You guys can see there is no any project here. So if you have edited the video, the projects will be displayed here below the project section. So after selecting the project, you have to just simply go to editing section. So I'm just creating a project for now and simply click on add the video. Now you have to just simply edit the complete video. So if you want to edit the video, you guys can previously see my CapCut section. So you guys can see lots of video in and you guys can watch the tutorials of how you can use the CapCut. So after watching those tutorials, you guys have edited the video. So if you have edited the video, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of the export icon. So you have to just simply click on that, or you guys can just simply click on this 1080p. So after clicking on that, it is basically a quality of a video in which you want to export the video. So if you have to just simply increase the resolution of video, you guys can just simply make the slider to the right side to add the resolution of the video, to increase the resolution of the video. And if you want to decrease, you guys can slightly to the left section. So the second thing is frame rate. You guys can also increase the frame rate, and you guys can also third option is code rate. You guys have to just simply make it recommended. So after adjusting the rate, I will recommend you to basically save the video in the recommended setting because it's the best. But if you want the video's highest quality or higher quality, then I recommend you to make the resolution higher and frame rate higher. So keep in mind that after increasing the resolution and frame rate, your video will be larger, so your video size will be larger. So you have to just simply keep in mind that your video size will be larger. So after adjusting the settings, you have to just simply click on that export icon on the top right. So after clicking on that, it will take some time and your video will be exported or saved to gallery. So it's pretty simple. That's all for today, guys. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.